Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to PJE Panajwalas exclusive. So today in this video, we are going to see our newly arrived lab-grown diamond designs in chains, Mangal Sutra, as well as bracelets and the nose rings too. So if you like any of the designs and do you want further details, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp to the number provided on the screen. Okay, let's start the video. I'm starting off with this beautiful chain here which has a side pendant design here. So these are all lab grown diamonds and we have like smaller size of diamonds being used here. So it has a side design, like it has a kind of side pendant design, and the chain here you see is an 18 karat gold, but the gold finish is in yellow gold finish. The net weight of this chain is around 17.428 grams. Okay, let's see another one. So next chain is again with yellow gold finish, and we have a side and we have a ball design here. So one side we have a single ball and another side we have three ball designs here. These are again with lab grown diamonds, and again the finish here is again 18 karat gold. So the net weight of this one is around 14.774 grams. Let's see another one. Here comes another chain now. Now it has like kind of ring type design here, designed with lab grown diamonds. So lab grown diamonds are really very affordable and anyone can like afford it. So it has like four rings each side here. So the finish is like in the diamonds we have the prongs in white gold finish, but the chain is in yellow gold finish. So the net weight of this chain is around 14.678 grams. So here comes again the similar design which I've shown you before. Now this one also has a ring pattern here, and this side we have again like these are all side pendant chains whatever I'm showing you today. So newly arrived. So here also we have like two lines of rings here, and then we have middle again beautiful design. So the net weight of this one is around 15.290 grams. This is with 18 karat gold, and again I'm telling you this is with yellow gold finish. Let's see another one. So after the chains here we have is Mangal Sutra designs, and we have like small beads here, the black bead diamonds here, and in between we have beautiful design here, and this one is very shorter in length. It is I think 17 to 18 inches or maybe 16 inches too. So I think this is also very beautiful, and the net weight of this chain is around. So here comes a designer Mangal Sutra. So these days girls really love these kind of sleek designs. So they can wear on their office wear, like if at all they are like working woman who like very simple and elegant designs, they can go for these kind of design. These are very minimalist designs. This one has a infinity design, and on that we have a heart shape done here with lab grown diamonds. So diamond being used is only in this part here. So the net weight of this necklace, I mean this Mangal Sutra, it is around 5.376 grams. Let's see another one. So here comes another Mangal Sutra, and now this one has again same infinity but with lab grown diamond design here. On sides also we have the black bead diamonds here, and then what, the chain is very sleek, very comfortable to wear. It has like 2-3 rings also backside, so you can like kind of adjust 1 inch here and there. The net weight of this one is around 5.242 grams. So next one comes here is a kada pattern here. So it is kind of a bracelet which comes like in oval shape. Now this one, when you see in closer look, it has a clip system here. So when you press it, this one gets open. So it is very secure also. You can wear it on your daily wear too. Now this one is also with lab grown diamonds. So these are all lab grown diamonds studded here. So the net weight of this one is around 13.024 grams. Now this one is also with 18 karat gold. Generally whatever pieces are made with diamonds are made in 18 karat gold only, because the longevity of the gold is very high in 18 karat gold, and it becomes very strong and you can use it on your daily basis also. Let's see another one. Now here comes again a very beautiful design of bracelet here. Now the gold which you see here, it is like plain gold design, and the diamond studded is on this part and also on here. Now this one comes very like designer finish when you just pull it down. So this is also very secure. You can just again lock it also. So the net weight of this one is around 24.8 grams. Let's see another one. So here comes our nose pin now, and it one has the beautiful lab grown diamonds here. This one comes with a screw pattern, and it is very comfortable also. It is very strong as well. So the net weight of this one is only around like 0.678 grams. So it is only unlike under 1 gram only. So the next design is in like kind of flower shape, and in between we have a very beautiful solitaire design here with lab grown diamonds. Again, the net weight of this one is around 0.51 grams. So it is again a very beautiful design. So in case if you want any of this, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us to the number provided on the screen. Let's see another one. Now here comes a very simple, a single stone design here. Now generally people on the daily basis prefer these kind of designs only, and the net weight of this one. So the net weight of this one is around 0.242 grams only, just which is a very affordable one. So in case if anyone wants, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Let's see another one. So here comes another very beautiful and designer piece here, and these are all the newly arrived pieces, and the net weight of this one is around 0.446 grams. So again, this one is with 18 karat gold and yellow gold finish. It has screw pattern too. Okay, let's see another one. With single solitaire we have another design here, and this one is in kind of big design here, and the net weight of this one is around 0.314 grams. So here's another design with flower shape here, and all the diamonds which you see are in different design here, and the net weight of this one is around 0.484 grams. This is again a single solitaire design with round shape. The net weight of this one is around 0.236 grams. Here comes a very different and new pattern here. This one is kind of like a square shape, and then we have like square diamonds here, and the net weight of this one is around 0.536 grams. In single solitaire we have another piece here. It is 0.326 grams. So the net weight varies as the solitaire diamond size is like kind of a smaller one or a bigger one. So as per your budget and the size you want, you can prefer any design you want. Okay, let's see another one. So in solitaire we have another piece. Now this one is 0.298 grams. So let's see another one. So in flower design we have another one here, and the outer layer is with like plain gold. In between we have a very beautiful lab grown diamond design here. The net weight of this one is around 0.51 grams. And in case if you want for gifting purpose, like these all designs are very beautiful. In diamonds we get such affordable designs. Let's see another one. And in flower we got beautiful and new design here. Now this one is like kind of 6 petal design. In between we have all solitaires, and the surroundings is with plain gold here. The net weight of this one is around 0.548 grams. Here is another design. The net weight of this one is around 0.464 grams. I repeat, these are all 18 karat gold with yellow gold finish. So in case if you want to customize also, these can be customized into like white gold or any rose gold kind of finishes also. If any bride is looking to like wear a bigger size of nose ring, this is the perfect one, I can say. Now this is such a bigger size one, and it has all diamonds finishing here. These are lab grown diamonds. The net weight of this one is around 0.736 grams. These are newly arrived earrings also, as I sort of mentioning in this video only. So these are again very beautiful designed earrings here. It has like lab grown diamond, it has like solitaire pieces. The net weight of this one is around 2.686 grams. So if you liked any of the pieces in this video, you can just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.